My name is Sherman. I've had a pretty tough life. Grew up in foster homes, and unfortunately for me, I was diagnosed with some nerve disorder and had to get my legs amputated at the age of 9. It's not the best way to make friends at that age, but I got friends now.
Sherman. Hey.
I'm a survivor. I always have been. What I do want you to hear is my story, because dreams do come true.
Great. Well, listen, I gotta get back inside. I'll see you at lunch.
Yeah, sure thing. See ya. Sam. Sam. Hey. Hey. Try to sneak by me.
How's it going, Sherman?
It's okay. Be better if you gave me some good news.
What good news?
The script I gave you, like a month ago.
Oh, yeah, right. Listen, I misplaced it. You know, tons of scripts come through my office all the time.
I understand. Hey, you'd read it though if you had it, right?
Yeah, of course. Give it to me next time, okay?
Hey, no. I got one right here.
Bird of Paradise, what's this about?
It's about a boy with no legs, but his miraculously grow back.
Right.
Sam, promise me you'll read it. I never ask you for anything, like food or money. All I ask is that you read it once and tell me what you think. Promise?
Okay, yeah, I promise.
Thank you, Sam.
There you are.
Sorry, I was trying to be quiet.
That's cool. So, how'd you do today?
Okay. Like $6.
That's, wait, $6 for the entire day? And you're okay? That really sucks, man.
Yeah, but you know the producer, Sam? He's gonna read my script.
Yeah, okay, you know what? You need to get your head out of the clouds with that script. You're gonna go hungry if you don't. Good night, Sherman.
Good night.
And hey, don't you be dreaming about any script.
Hey, Sam.
Hey, good, you're here. Sherman, I read your script. It's incredible. Not only that, I showed it to the president of the studio, and he loved it. You know what this means?
I don't know what to say. Is that for real?
I'm bringing him down for lunch today, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, my life was a little tough. And after all that effort, I didn't live long enough to see my movie made. And I don't want you to feel sorry for me. The myth behind the Bird of Paradise was that it had no legs, and therefore always stayed in flight.